Hello, everybody. We are the Dingoes, and we're gonna show you a little bit about our project, which is a pill detector. Next slide. So, with a little sad fact, over 100,000 reporters of medication errors take place yearly, and 15% of those patients suffer from accidentally taking the wrong drug. We created a machine learning model to help identify the type of pill in an image. This can potentially prevent people from accidentally ingesting the wrong pill. Our pill identifier website serves as a very valuable tool for several important reasons. One, identification of medications, the primary reason. And second, prevention of medication errors. It can prevent confusion between similarly looking pills. Next slide.
So our team name is Dapper Dingoes, and our team members are Jenna, Dagim, Anping, Jesus, Jace, and Josh. In the beginning, we split our jobs. So we had some people do front end, some people do back end, and others work on the video. Later, we work together to make the final project. And I'll leave it to Josh.
So we have three steps for stages of data collection. Our first step was to get images from an API that will then download these images and put them onto our computer. We wanted to download them in batches of 75 for each class. We then realized that this was too little because only a few of these images would actually work. And so later on, we had to download even more images and then scrape the best ones out from there. We would then upload those onto RoboFlow, which would help us build our data set.
And through that comes in through labeling. So basically we use RoboFlow to label all of our pictures that we got from, SERP API. And some of the challenges that we ran into was the fact that, a lot of the images that we had in the first week or so that we got, we thought that they were good. And then as we progressed, as we matured, we realized that, hey, maybe this blurry image of a pill that barely says what we need is probably going to do more bad than good. So that's what most of labeling was, what we were doing with labeling, which was literally just, what could you say? We were just going through all of the images and just trying to make the precision as best as we could. And that was our major, I guess you could say, problem that we overcame. And we did that through 6 classes of drugs, which you'll be able to find on the next slide with Jace. All right.
So like was talked about before, there was many problems. So you can see we have our scores going up from before and after. As you can see, the MAP has gone up drastically, as so has the precision. A lot of the problems were just not having enough data and pills just looking too identical due to them being blurred or not labeled well. So we decided to also train with RoboFlow because it would make it easier and make a more efficient model. And now I'll hand it off to Jenna.
Yeah, so to build our website, we used CSS, HTML, Flask, and JavaScript. And on the actual website, we have 2 very important features, which are the choose file and upload buttons. And so the choose file button allows you to search your device for the image that you want to upload, which will allow you to send your image to our website so it can be detected. And the result that you get is you are taken to another web page where the model will detect the pill that's in your image, where it is in the image through bounding boxes, and the confidence that it has in the pill it detected. And there will be more about this in the web demo, which Josh will show.
Before a web demo, we have a product video or like an advertisement. So here it is. So that's our product video, and now I'm going to give you a run through of our website. So here we have our browse and upload that Jenna was talking about, and we have our benefits and challenges. We have our team pictures here, and all you have to do is just click the browse button, upload the pill photo, click the upload button, and then give it a few seconds. And here it'll give a confidence number or confidence rating, the name of the pill, as mentioned here, and it'll also highlight where the pill is. And we worked this around for only 10 classes, which are like the most popular or most used pills. And we plan to expand the data set for that even further in the future. And that's our presentation. Thanks.